Okay, in this video tutorial, I'm going to explain how to create this kind of rib to a circular edge in SolidWorks. Okay, let me delete this one. Okay, the other one, then we have to generate the rib from this edge to this edge in between these two surfaces. Okay, select this face, make it normal. Then select this sketch. First of all, I'm going to draw the center lines. First one is the center line, midpoint line. Okay, then select the center rectangle. Then you have to give the rib dimensions, the thickness. Let's take 8 for one side. Then you have to give this dimension also 8. Okay, then select this edge. Select this edge. Offset entity is 0. Select this one also. Offset entities, make it 0. Then trim cut. Okay, then go to features, curves, split lines. In the projection, we are going to project these two lines on this cylindrical surface. Already sketch is selected. Then you have to select the face. So see the face. Okay, you can see that two lines as projected to the cylinder. So then you can go to select this sketch. Then go to loft boss base. Then select this surface area. Then take this point to this one. I mean this point you have to take to this one. This coincide with this point. So then right click OK. This is how we are creating this rib feature to circular edges in SolidWorks.